Then, shortly after they began,
I was trying to catch her getting up there, but I missed it. Stratus! Kitty, 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 kitty! Hey! Stratus! I was trying to catch her getting up there, but I missed that part. I thought she was going to do it earlier, and then she decided not to. What are you doing, you crazy cat? Stratus. I don't know how she got down yesterday. I didn't see it. You better not be stuck. Oh, she's second guessing herself. How did you do it yesterday? Almost. Oh, no, we're distracted by magnets. No, don't eat the magnet. Stratus. It's not gonna hold you. Well, don't get up there. Hi. Are you gonna get down? Kitty, 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 kitty. Stratus. You were gonna knock something down. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, I think she got down via the... She's getting down via the... Kitty, 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 kitty. Hi. Oh my god.